If you've been paying attention to YouTube automation, you've probably seen those viral duck videos racking up millions of views. Just take a look at this, and this, and this. Now, imagine the thousands of dollars these creators are making from videos less than 60 seconds long. But here's the thing, the newest trending niche is the hardworking cow videos. These are gaining massive traction, and right now is the perfect time to jump in before the market gets saturated. There are several AI video generators that can create these effortlessly, but after testing multiple options, I'd go with Kling AI. Check out this 20-second hardworking cow video I created using Kling AI to understand why the AI stands out as the best.
Meet the hardest working cow you've ever seen. From plowing the fields, to harvesting fresh vegetables with care, fetching water like a true farm hero, even cooking up a delicious farm fresh meal. And after all that hard work, our cow still has time to sell fresh produce at the market.
Now, let me walk you through the step-by-step process of generating this video. You'll see just how simple it is. Step 1. Creating a reference image. First, log into your Kling AI account and head over to the dashboard. Click on AI Images. Next, enter a prompt to generate an image. Since we need a consistent character for our video, keep the prompt simple but specific. Mention key details like the cow's color, unique features, and overall look. Then, select the aspect ratio and hit Generate. Once processed, the AI will provide 4 images. Take a moment to review them and choose the one that best fits your video's theme. I personally loved this one. Now, to ensure consistency, go to the left side panel where it says Upload a Reference. Click on History to find your selected image, then choose Subject and click Confirm. This reference image will now serve as the base for generating all other images in your video, ensuring visual consistency throughout. Step 2. Generating 5 more images. Now that I have my reference image ready, it's time to generate the 5 additional images for the video. I've already written the prompts for each scene, so I'll follow the same simple process for each image. First image, cow plowing the field. I enter the prompt, select the aspect ratio, and hit Generate. Give it some time to generate the images. Wow, look at that! The AI nailed it. I now have multiple images to choose from, but I'll decide on the final selection later. Second image, cow harvesting vegetables. Again, I paste the prompt, choose the aspect ratio, and click Generate. The AI generates 4 new images, and I picked this one since it closely matches what I need. For the final 3 images, I will repeat the process to generate the AI images. This is what I came up with. Cow fetching water from a well, cow cooking in the kitchen, cow selling fresh vegetables at a market. And just like that, the image generation step is complete. Step 3, bringing the images to life. Now, it's time to animate our images and turn them into lifelike videos. And we'll do this one by one. Animating the first image. First, go back to the dashboard and click on History. Scroll down to find the generated images and hover over the one you like most. Then, click Bring to Life. Next, hit Generate and wait for the magic to happen. Look at that! Our once static image has been transformed into a realistic animation of the cow plowing the field. Click Download to save the generated video. Now, I'll repeat the same process for the other 4 images, and this is what I got. Cow harvesting vegetables, cow fetching water from a well, cow cooking in the kitchen, cow selling fresh vegetables at a market. Once all 5 videos are downloaded, we're ready for the next step. Step 4, compiling the video. Now that we have our animated clips, it's time to bring everything together into a complete video. Choosing a video editor. There are many video editors you can use, but for simplicity, I'll go with Canva. Setting up the canvas. Open Canva and create a blank presentation page in landscape format. This is the recommended size for YouTube videos. An empty canvas will appear like this. Click on Upload, select Videos, and upload all the animated clips we generated earlier. Now, drag and drop each video onto a blank page in Canva. It's as simple as that. To make the video look more connected and seamless, we'll add transitions between the clips. First, let's try the flow transition. Apply it to all pages and hit play to preview. It looks smooth, but I find the match and move transition works even better. Let's apply that and see the final result. See that? The video flows perfectly. It doesn't feel like separate clips, but one cohesive story. And just like that, your hardworking cow video is ready. Step 5. Removing the watermark. Now that our video is ready, you might notice a watermark, and that doesn't look professional. Option 1. Upgrading to a paid plan. The best and most recommended way to remove the watermark is to upgrade to a premium subscription. This ensures high-quality videos without restrictions. Option 2. A free workaround. If you prefer not to spend money, here's a simple trick to remove the watermark. Click on the video and drag the edges to fill the entire canvas. Adjust the bottom right corner until the watermark is completely out of view. Repeat this process for all 5 video clips. Click play to preview the final result. And just like that, your video is now watermark-free and ready to go. Step 6. Adding a voiceover. Now, let's add a voiceover to make our video more engaging. There are many AI-powered text-to-speech tools available, but my top recommendation is 11 Labs. They offer a wide selection of natural-sounding voices that can bring your script to life. I've included a sign-up link in the description below. Generating the voiceover. Sign up on the 11 Labs website. You'll receive free credits that should be enough for a few voiceovers. Click on Text-to-Speech in the dashboard. Browse through the available voices. You can listen to samples and choose the one you like best. Paste your script, assuming you've already written one like me. Select your preferred voice and click Generate Speech. Let's listen to what we have. I like this voice, so let's click Download to save the file. Just like that, we have a professional voiceover ready to go. Final step, adding the voiceover to the video. Now that we have our voiceover ready, it's time to sync it with the video. Head back to Canva and open the project we've been working on. Click on Upload, then select Audio and upload the voiceover file. Drag the audio file below the video timeline to align it properly. Adjust the timing and volume as needed for a balanced sound. Click play to preview and ensure everything is synchronized smoothly. If everything looks great, hit download to save the completed video. And just like that, we've created a professional, engaging video. Imagine the potential income you could generate with videos like this. The AI tools we're using offer free credits, and the best part is, the time investment is surprisingly minimal. Kling AI has completely transformed video creation, making it easier and more accessible than ever. Now, would you like to learn how to lip sync and make the cow in our video appear to speak? Drop a comment below and I'll create a step-by-step tutorial just for you. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.